Thank you.
Can you hear me good?
Yes.
Okay. Hi everyone. So now this is a part where you guys and I and all of us put our money where our mouth is, okay? This is a part where we say, okay, now we heard all the information from the experts. We heard from all the city councils, most of them. Now what do we do? So as mentioned before by Nira, I think she left, but I have been working with the community to stop the LNG facility for 5 years. We've been working to stop that facility. Though unsuccessful, we did stop them from even starting construction for, I think, about 4 years. So they just started construction when they should have started in 2014. Now with that being said, I'm so grateful to see a lot of momentum here in the room. But like I said, it's time to really put our money where our mouth is. And is this going to be like a dog and pony show because a lot of elected officials are here and because this is the first meeting that Pedro's hosting? Or are we really going to do some changes? And I'm here to tell you that we have been working for the last 3.5 years with the city of Providence. And when I say me, I'm talking about black and brown folks working with the city to make a comprehensive plan to stop some of these facilities from even being built. And while, like Councilwoman Helen said, it's going to be an uphill battle, and there's a lot of things, and like how Leah mentioned, there's a lot of things that check off they can do. What we can work on so that we don't have to kind of work in silos or just be organized when one thing comes up, because these things are going to keep popping along the way unless we rezone. But in order for us to have a comprehensive change, we need the policy changes. In order for us to actually do some work, some positive work, we need some comprehensive policy changes. And we need, like it was mentioned earlier, we need some actual, what is it that we're going to do to the port? Well, guess what? A lot of folks have the answers. And a lot of folks have the vision for what our port should look like. And what I'm saying as a community member, I'm saying, let us be at the table. We have to be at the table because we know what ports look like. In Harlem, they did it. But guess what? When they did it in Harlem and they reduced the pollution and all the polluters left, what happened to the people of Harlem? What happened to the black and brown poor people of Harlem? Right. They all left too. They were displaced. Gentrification happened. So what I'm here saying is, like, yes, we have to clean the port. Yes, we have to have comprehensive plans. But also we have to do it so that the people, and we are not forced out of our own homes, because that's what's going to happen. Time and time again we see that. So if you really want to do some action, if you really want to participate, I am asking that you join us, join the Racial Environmental Justice Committee, that you attend some meetings and really, really plan out some policy changes that are going to do some good, but that are not going to affect us in a negative way. And I want to thank Pedro for really showing up and showing out. I'm very impressed. As you know, I ran against him.
You didn't run against me. You ran for your community.
Absolutely,
I did.
Thank you very much. Thank you. But I have to say that I'm very impressed that he's actually taken something on that's environment. Because a lot of people's like, environment is like, and not to blame folks, because it's like we're literally fighting for our lives. A lot of us, we're literally fighting for housing, for employment, for justice. But to take environment, it's really good, and I'm happy to see that at least somebody's doing it, that we're actually going to do it, and that you brought your colleagues to from the beginning so that they can see that this is the real deal thing. So thank you for that. But like I said, please, if you're really interested and wanted to do it, because like I said, folks outside of our community have the answers for us written down already, and we cannot let that happen. We need for us to tell them what it is that we want, what it is that our vision is, what it is that our children need. And when I say us, I mean in black, brown, and poor people. All right. Okay.
Yes.
Everybody. Everybody.
It is everybody, but the most affected, like Julian pointed out, and so many others, the doctor pointed out, is black and brown and the poor that are being affected the most. So yeah, while it is everybody, we see the data. Anyways, so the Racial Environmental Justice Committee, I had a nice sheet that was done up, but then my printer didn't work. So I have a piece of paper here. If you all want to join me, I'll be here after the meeting, come talk to me more, see how you can get involved, please. Thank you.
Thank you, Mark.